Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by pinpointing the problem and ensuring prerequisites are current. Check Google Maps app version and your phone's OS. Update both if outdated. Restart the device to clear transient bugs, then toggle location and GPS to reset permissions. Once done, reproduce the error and take notes. Is a pin missing, navigation wrong, or does the app crash? These specifics determine the next actions, so be precise before moving into deeper fixes. Now you perform targeted diagnostics to isolate causes. Clear Maps cache first. If that fails, clear storage to remove corrupted local files. This forces data refresh, but keep your sign-in ready. Verify you're using the correct Google account and that map layers or downloaded offline regions aren't hiding content. Switch networks. Try cellular if Wi-Fi is flaky, or toggle airplane mode to force a network reset. If needed, reinstall the app to restore default settings and fresh binaries. Finish by restoring normal operation and confirming the fix. Reinstall Google Maps, sign in, and let it sync your saved places and timelines, then verify search, routing, and pins. If problems persist, submit a detailed report through help and feedback including screenshots and exact times so engineers can reproduce it. If you still see issues, test the same account on another device or the web version. This quickly tells you whether it's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.